Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. It is, what do we got? Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday evening. Mail ran today, and Grumpy had a package out there. Oh, I couldn't believe it. But, I got a package from Mr. Robert C. Peters. I was like, what is Mr. Robert sending me? So, here we go. We're going to open it up. I've already opened it up. See? I know what it is, but I have to show everybody. I think it's just flipping awesome. Made my damn day, it did. Thank you so much, Robert. But first, we're going to go with our little card we got in here. It says, Grumpy, Merry Christmas. Keep on keeping on. Now you have a set. Enjoy and stay medicated. Made in pain. Uh-oh. And then it says, oh, and another sticker. Oh, heck yeah, I got another sticker. That's cool. Now, I'm going to put this one out on my lathe wall. By my lathe, I have two of the stickers in here on this wall. I got one right over there, y'all can't see it. And then one right up over there, y'all can't see it, but I'm fixing to make it where y'all can. But thank you, Robert. I appreciate that. And, Let me move the box out of the way here. And see what I mean? This is the boxes that I use right here to send my sticks around. Then yeah, they used to not be but like $10, and now they're going up. But y'all, this is so cool. Let me show y'all something, okay? Robert makes some 420 pipes. Yeah, he makes some awesome pipes. I'm on my tripod, so this is different angles here. But I'm trying to get y'all in here and show y'all what I want to show y'all. Let's see. Learning curve. I've never played with this tripod making videos. Woo. We're jumping on. This is my camera mount. It's in the way here. Bang, out the way. Alright, y'all see up in the corner back there? Woo, daggone. Jumps all out the way. Click. Come on. There you go. You see that, mister? Woo, where's he at? Where's that big old finger? Yeah, there's that big old finger right there. Right there, Mr. Grumpy. That's my little 420 pipe that Mr. Robert made me. Okay. Let's see. Let's turn y'all around here a little bit. Around. Can't see because of my nasty glare. Oh, there you can. Big finger, where you at? There's his other sticker. Come on back around, and then big finger, where you at? There you go. There's his new sticker. Okay. Alright, now let's drop back down here some. I want to cover this up. Whoop. Bring y'all up other direction. There we go. Oop, there we go. That's perfect. My little homemade lazy Susan I made. I did that, an old bearing, cut my wood right there, put a little dowel rod right there that the bearing smashed down on, and then just low enough that the bearing don't touch this wood, but high enough it keeps that wood off. Also, alright, anyway, babble. Again, Mr. Robert sent me a little Christmas gift, as he put it, and this is just too flipping cool, y'all. I'm gonna look at this right here and that right there, and I'm gonna say that is also a piece of olive burl, because it looks like this piece right here looks a lot like that wood. But look, here's a close up, y'all. That's my grumpy pipe that Mr. Robert made me. I love my grumpy pipe. Look, it's even dirty. Just look, that's what a clean one's supposed to look like. But let me get to the bottom of this, guys. Excuse me. This is just awesome, and I greatly appreciate it, Robert. Ow, I got dopey. So we know I call my goofy buck Grumpy, but I stay as medicated as freaking dopey. So that is just flipping awesome. I love that. That's dopey with a little bong. It looks like a bong, or it could be even one of Robert's pipes, but that is just too flipping cool. Now, y'all see how this is? Robert, I'm going to do it the same thing to this pipe too, buddy. I'm gonna get my UV resin and I'm gonna go over the entire picture with UV resin so it don't rub off. It looks like it might have took some beating and banging and shipping or something. I don't know. Or that just might be how it come out, because I know that oil can make your paint walk sometimes. But that's flipping awesome, dude. I love him. I flipping love him. Oh goodness. Yes, sir. I greatly appreciate that. He's gonna go up in my box too. I'll put him. Let me see. My camera is mounted to this tripod and I'm not used to it. My other little dinky tripod that'll fall over, I can move that thing just anywhere in the camera and it just moves with me. This one's a little more rigid, which is good. I'm just not used to playing with it. But let's see. Y'all can't see good. I'm gonna get me a spot set up in the corner up here. And I can't show it good on camera right now, but I'm gonna have Grumpy in one corner, Dopey in the other corner, and they'll be in the corners of my box right there for sure. And it's just flipping perfect. I love it. Thank you so much, Robert. Thank you so much. Oh, it's just too cool. And this one, goodness, I like that size. That fits in my old big hand. You know, that's just, you get them old arthritic hands sometimes and you can't hold that small stuff too good. That's beautiful for my big old hand. I love it. But thank you so much. Y'all, I'm going to put a link to Robert's channel in my description. Y'all need to go check him out. He does some awesome stuff. He's been doing some kick-ass sketch drawing and then animating it with drop. That's just badass. And then his 420 pipes, they are on a level all of their own. They are also, okay, that bowl's in there. I can see that bowl's not coming out. I was just pulling on that to see if I could pull that out like I could in the other one. I don't think that one is coming out. Awesome though. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Like I said, tonight we're breaking out the UV resin. Gonna seal up the bottom. I want to preserve the picture. This is what I used on Grumpy. And I have about that much left in here. So that's perfect. It won't take but a little bit and I'll preserve Dopey. I love it, Robert. Thank you so much, brother. I hope you have an awesome Christmas and have a super safe New Year. And man, I greatly appreciate this. You just don't know. Thank you so much. Y'all go check Robert's channel out. I'm telling you. Go check him out and then check out his email. Send him an email. I'm sure he'll work with you and price is right. You can get you an awesome 420 pipe. Like I said, he uses those glass bowls, little 9-hole bowls. Got the carburetor and want the your draw piece through. It's awesome. All right, y'all go check it out. I'm babbling. Thank you again, Robert. Thank you so much.